Hello, my dear crafters. One more craft fair item for you and also a great Christmas gift. So today we're learning how to make this little triangle box. And it's absolutely perfect if you're doing your craft fairs. You can make like 100 of these a day. You see how easy it is. Honestly, it takes maybe 10 minutes to put one together. To put one together actually less, but to cut and finish it like 10 minutes at the most. So easy. This is called the 3D Kisses box. And why is it called Kisses? Because you can fit 5 Hershey Kisses inside. And I will show you. Is that the one with the kisses? No, here's another one. But I will show you what I mean. Look at that. 5 Hershey Kisses. How wonderful is this for a stocking stuffer, huh? So absolutely perfect for Christmas. Easy to make, easy to mass produce if you're doing craft fairs. And I am not gonna put this, it's always like this in the video, it's never as easy. So there you go. So here's one, let me show you another one. Gingerbread motif, oh my gosh. I love this one so much, and I had this wooden, this is from Hobby Lobby, this wooden little gingerbread house. Here's another option for you. So quick to make and a wonderful part of the November release of Scrap Diva Designs. So I will have the link below to this die set. I'll now show you the die set and we'll put it together. You see how easy and quick it is, okay? Do use my coupon code for 10% off. It's Paula, very easy. And take a look at the full collections because this is just one little tiny part of it. I'll be showing you 2 more products, okay, soon. Thank you so much. So let's move to the tutorial now. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to reach 30,000 this year and it depends on you. It's quick, it's just one click and it's free and it really helps me. Thank you so much. As I said in the beginning, couldn't be easier. Here's the die set. You have the box. In one go you can make the box. That's the belly band. And we have some options here of decoration. So easy, it couldn't be easier than this. Look at this. So I have everything I need here and let's put it together, guys. So if you're doing stocking stuffers or craft fair or little gifts for teachers, and this is perfect. So the die set already does all the scoring. See, like you have a scoring line here, 1 here, and 3 scoring lines here. So all we need to do, let me zoom in. There you go. So who is doing craft fairs? I want to know, guys. Leave a comment behind. I'd love to know about my craft fair partners. There you go. So we're gonna have to press here, and let me show you how you do the sides, okay? So you see there is a triangle here, very easy. You just use your fingers, press like this and like that, and then you have the flaps, right? Let me just do it. I didn't press it on the right side. And then you have the flaps. Let me show you what it looks like at the end. See? Like that. It's like an M upside down. So there, we're going to do the same thing here. It's easier when I have the table to press against. Makes it faster, see? Like that. And then, yeah, I'm going to use my table here because it just makes it so much easier. There you go. So how easy is this? We have a box, basically. All you need to do now is glue the sides. So talk about fast and cute. So you're going to make a bunch of these for all your friends, neighbors, all your stocking stuffers, and craft fair. You can make like 100 of these in one day. I bet you can. There you go. So we're going to do this. I like to always use my bone folder just to press it down and make it sturdier. And that's it, guys, pretty much. And I'll show you how to use the belly band too, and you don't have to do the belly band. You can make your own belly band, thicker if you want, or thinner, whatever you need. But the other thing that you can do too is use Velcro dots. Makes it even faster, less paper used, and faster for mass producing. So just use one of those little, I'll have the link below because I use those so much. So there you go. Because we have the triangle here, you are able to press it like this and close the triangle. See? There you go. So we have our little box. We're going to fill it up with our Hershey Kisses. Let me see here. I got these Hershey Kisses yesterday. I was running out of those because I use it a lot. So there you go, 5 Hershey's Kisses. You know what I thought? Remember, let me see if I have any around. I do, hold on. Remember my haul when I showed you my little pens from Hobby Lobby? Or any little pen really, any mini pen works. I was thinking that here's a little tiny gift that you can give to someone. Put like 1 or 2 inside. It can be like for mini, not for regular pens, but this can be a pen holder too. So here is the belly band. 1, 2, 3 scoring lines. Just gonna fold it in. Easy peasy, like they say here in the US. Easy peasy. So press it down. This stays in the front. This is actually, let me show you why it has these bumps here, because that's where you put this little bow, okay? Because it goes perfectly on the sides of the bow, see? But you can use it for anything. It doesn't have to be just for the bows. So I'm just gonna put some glue here. Press it. Can be up or the other way around, doesn't really matter. I actually think it's better that you do the other way, not press it up, but put it underneath and put the glue over so you don't see this. That was a mistake, but that's fine. Not perfect, but look at this. So I got this little Christmas, a great option for all those beautiful cutouts that you have in ephemera. So I'm just going to press this here, like this. Yeah, that's good. I get some of this glue. And there you go, guys. You have a beautiful box. How easy was that? Honestly, I'm going to be making some with my friend today. She's coming over, and we're doing stocking stuffers today. So this is something we're going to make today. So there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you going to make those? Please use my link below and also my coupon code for 10% off. So that's the best way to buy it. Get some discount. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you Erica for always coming up with the best boxes. You guys know I love my boxes, and honestly she is so creative. It's amazing. There you go. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.